Hello friends, I am Durgesh Sahani and here we are creating series of video tutorial of object oriented programming concepts in PHP. This is the 9th video tutorial for the same, and in this tutorial we are going to learn about interface. What is interface? Previously we have seen constructor passing values to constructor of parent classes, and so let's create a new file, and here we'll learn about interfaces. So I'm going to create a new file called interface.php, and so let's discuss about interface. What is interface? Interface is a concept of as I have mentioned, like multiple inheritance is not supported by PHP, but we can achieve that goal with the help of interface. But interface is not only used for it is not only for achieving the goal of multiple inheritance, but we have several other options too. So let's discuss one by one. So interface is a keyword which is used to create an interface, like a class is a keyword, same like that. So let's see by example PHP. So for class we are creating like this: class keyword and class name, right? So same for interface, just use interface keyword and interface name. So I'm giving the name same test. Okay, see, only the difference of here for creating a interface, the difference is we are using interface instead of class. Okay, the same thing. The another difference between class and interface is like class is a collection of variable and function, but interface only you have to declare functions, and you cannot define the function, just you have to write the signature for that function. So for example, let's see, I'm creating one function, and all the functions should be declared as a public. Okay, so I will show you everything. Public, and function name is get value, and public set value. Okay, I have declared these two functions. Oh sorry, we have to use function keyword. Function, same here also, function. Okay, as you can see, I have used here semicolon, right? We are just declaring a function, we cannot define its body here. If we'll try to do those things, it will throw an error. So for example, let me show you. If I'm using like this, okay, and if you are going to run this, so just open that file, interface.php. see, interface function get value cannot contain a body. Okay, so you cannot write here its definition, just you have to write its signature and nothing else. I'm just deleting this thing and put the semicolon. So like this you have to declare. And one more thing, if I am declaring, suppose public $num like this, again it will throw an error. Interface may not include member variables, so you cannot declare a variable inside a interface. So this is the another difference. So how you can explain interface? Interface is same like a class, but in interface just we are defining the functions, we are just writing the signature of the function, and all the functions should use public access specifier. Suppose if I'm writing here private, so again it will throw an error. See, access type of interface method must be omitted in. Okay, so see, we are getting a fatal error. Again, suppose if you are doing it's a public, but if you are making it protected, then also you will get an error, same error you are getting. Okay, so what you have to do, every time you have to use public only, public method only you can define inside the interface. So this is how you are creating an interface. Okay, now see, And another rule is, if you are creating any interface, its all methods should be inherited and defined properly within the inherited class. Okay, so if I'm refreshing, so there is no issue, but we are creating class, class name suppose demo, and in demo we have to implement that interface. So there is one keyword, implements. So implements is a keyword which is used to inherit interface into the class. So here we have to use, as in inheritance we are using here extends, but now for interface we have to use implements, and the implements name is test, like this, opening and closing. Okay, so here what we have two functions, right? So both two functions should be implemented here. See, if I'm just refreshing this web page, we'll get an error. Class demo contain two abstract methods and must therefore declare abstract. So the meaning of this error is, whenever you are implementing any interface into any class, you should use you should define the body of these two functions. So here what I'm going to do, I'm just going to write the body. Here I'm going to declare one variable of public type $num or anything you want, and here opening and closing. So here what we will do, get value. So in get value $this, and okay, here write echo value is $num. Okay, and for set values what we are going to do, $this num is equal to whatever value is going to come from that function. Okay, so here $val. One more thing we have missed here, for set value $val. Okay, so this is the signature we have written into the interface, and this is class demo implements. We are implementing this test interface into class, and we have to declare this define these functions inside this class. Okay, so here we are going to create an object obviously to access those functions. So I'm creating object of demo class. Okay, is equal to new demo, and here with the help of object we can call first set value, and inside that we have to pass some value like 10 I'm passing, then $obj and get value. See, let's see the example what we are getting. Just refresh this web page. Value is 10. You are getting value is 10. So whatever value you are passing from here, suppose we are passing 122, we should get 122 here, right? Same thing. So see, this is the multi-level inheritance. If you see that multiple inheritance was now supported by PHP, right? This one, multiple inheritance. So we'll see how to support this through inheritance interface, how to achieve this goal through so here I'm going to create a new class, just copying this file, this code, and pasting here and giving the name here what we can say, demo, or instead of demo, demo1 or something. Okay, demo1, and here we have value num1, get value and set value. Same example I'm just using. Just copy this thing, copy, paste. Here we'll pass 200 and we are going to create an object of demo1 1 1 and 1. okay, see, and one more thing, let me do here br, and here also everything is same. Just what I have did, we have created one new class with demo, and we are inheriting this test interface, and we have implemented these things here. One more thing, what we have to do, num1 and num1, that's it. Now just refresh the web page and you will see the result, 122 and 200 you are getting. So if you see here, so there is one interface, and this interface is getting implemented into demo, and the same interface is getting implemented into demo1, where we are implementing these two methods inside these two classes. So this is the very simple example of interface. You can use it for your project where you need these things, this kind of information inheritance you want. So here we have covered this interface as well. Okay, so I hope guys you understand this concept of interface and you will be able to implement these things. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel.